PLANESA is a third-generation family farming operation. In 1950, grandfather and company founder Roberto Castañeda decided to go into agriculture after a successful career as a journalist and lawyer for the United Fruit Company. He soon became one of the largest growers in Guatemala. As a result, Guatemala became an important worldwide cotton producer. In 1978, fresh out of Texas A&M with a degree in agriculture, the founder's son, Roberto, worked in cotton with his father and diversified to soybean, sorghum, and had the vision to diversifying the company into non-traditional agriculture. In the 90s, he began cultivating fresh raspberries and blackberries. PLANESA became the largest berry growing and shipping operation in Guatemala and Central America, with the incorporation of small and medium local growers. His son, Roberto, and his daughter, Andrea, later joined the company after completing their degrees in agriculture from Texas A&M and marketing from St. Mary's College in South Bend, Indiana, forming the third generation. Years later, the company added its vegetable operations to expand its production line, becoming one of Guatemala's largest value-added vegetable grower and shipper. In 2005, adapting to market changes and customer demands, a berry and vegetable operation was established in Mexico, with the idea of supplying the market demand year-round. In 2007, the Castañeda family founded Purefresh, the U.S.-based importing and marketing arm of PLANESA. As a vertically integrated company, Purefresh can control every step of the supply chain to ensure higher quality product and food safety standards from farm to table. We have strategically located our shipping and receiving points throughout the U.S. to be able to supply our customers with fresh product every day. Miami, Florida, McAllen, Texas, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, Los Angeles, California. PLANESA exports to U.S., Canada, Europe, Asia, and the Middle East. Purefresh sources product from Chile, Peru, Canada, and the United States. Due to increase in demand from our customers for better flavor, size, color, and shelf life, we have partnered with the best breeders in the world to have access to the best varieties available. We source varieties from all over the world and have breeding agreements in Italy, France, UK, Holland, and the United States. Purefresh has been working for over 20 years with the top breeders in the world to have the best genetics on the produce we grow. Technology also plays a crucial role in the success of our programs. With the use of new technologies and precision agriculture, we have been able to maximize production and be more cost-efficient in our crops. Just recently, we included a tissue culture lab into our operations to ensure the quality of the plants that go into our fields. We believe that the key to being a successful farmer is starting with the best plant material available. Our TC lab has not just helped us planting virus-free, stronger, and healthier plants, but it has also opened the gates to the world on bringing the newest varieties in a sterile environment. In 2015, PLANESA started the plan of installing greenhouses and tunnels for our berry fields, with the goal that by 2022, all our berry fields would be covered under plastic. We have covered more than 200 hectares in Guatemala and Mexico. We will be able to produce year-round, protecting our crops from rain, hail, frost, and ash from our climate-changing conditions. Company President Roberto thinks that the future of agriculture is using the best technology available to ensure the quality, the productivity, and the food safety of our products. That is why we have pioneered in growing our crops with the highest technology available in the market. Some examples of what we have in the fields and on which we have been pioneers using cocoa fiber, tunnels, greenhouses, precision irrigation systems, drones, best varieties available in the market, and many others. Consumers have become more health conscious, and as a result, there is an increase in demand for organic produce. This is the reason we developed an organic blueberry, French bean, blueberry, and blackberry program. As new technology starts to become available, this is a tendency that will continue to use in our industry. When dealing with perishables, cold chain is the most important part of the post-harvest process. Temperature is one of the key factors to ensure the highest quality products with a longer shelf life. To maintain the cold chain, we have installed cooling facilities in different parts of the world, both in our production and distribution areas. Our company complies with the highest food safety standards from our fields, packing plants, and cooling facilities in the U.S. All our operations are certified under global GAP, GMP, HACCP, kosher, audited under the Food Safety Modernization Act guidelines. The company also complies with the strictest social responsibility industry norms and standards and is certified by SMETA and UL Code of Conduct. The protection of the environment is one of the pillars for the sustainability of our future generations. That is why our operations comply and are certified by the Green Footprint Mark. As a new project, Purefresh has ventured into the production of cotton in the highlands, something no one would have ever thought about in the 1950s, and something grandfather Roberto would have been very proud. As an alternative crop for the small grower, resistant to drought and very highly productive in the fertile highlands, this will be a crop that will generate wealth and employment to small growers, preventing immigration. PLANESA and Purefresh have been members of the Produce Marketing Association for over 17 years. Our president, Roberto Castañeda, served the Global Development Committee for 3 years, which fosters global business connections for PMA members and supports the global growth strategy of PMA. Purefresh served as part of the USDA Fruit and Vegetable Industry Advisory Committee to develop recommendations for submission to the Secretary of Agriculture on issues affecting the U.S. produce industry. Purefresh is innovation, not just a brand.